drowning in invoices and losing precious time on tedious data entry. This video will rescue you by showing you how to seamlessly connect Zapier with Invoice Ninja, automating your billing and freeing you up for what truly matters. First, log into your Zapier account, or create one. If you haven't already, click on the Create Zap button to start the new automation. Now, choose your trigger app. This is the app that will initiate the automation. For example, you might select Google Sheets if you want to create an invoice every time a new row is added to a spreadsheet. Configure the trigger by connecting your Google Sheets account and specifying the spreadsheet and worksheet to monitor test the trigger to ensure Zapier can access the data correctly. Next, it's time to choose the action app Invoice Ninja. Search for Invoice Ninja in the app selection field and select it. Connect your Invoice Ninja account by clicking on the Connect a New Account button. You'll be prompted to enter your Invoice Ninja API token and account URL. You can find these details within your Invoice Ninja settings. Now, configure the action. This is where the magic happens. Map the data fields from your trigger app, like Google Sheets, to the corresponding fields in Invoice Ninja, such as client name, invoice amount, and due date. Test your Zap to ensure everything is working correctly. This will send a test invoice to your Invoice Ninja account. Once you're satisfied, turn on your Zap. From now on, every time the trigger event occurs in your chosen app, Zapier will automatically create an invoice in Invoice Ninja, streamlining your financial workflows and saving you valuable time.